Hi, good morning. Now that you are familiar on how to activate the official importer present in each WordPress as mentioned in lesson 15, use it later to quickly import the SEO project that we will write. With this second lesson, we focus on how to create a user to associate with import operation. In fact, we can use the admin that is already present. We recommend creating a new one for two reasons. The first reason why we create a user to do this because it will be very handy later to filter and quickly identify the pages imported into the WordPress backend. The project that we are now tackling starts from a WordPress one page. Therefore, there is only one page that is the home, and therefore we don't need any particular filter to identify the pages we are preparing, as it is excluding the home will represent the totality of the pages. In this case, instead of WordPress, which already have more other pages inside them, identifying them through a specific admin. On the other hand, it will be very convenient, even for the simple reason that if, for example, we are wrong to import them and we want to delete them, identify them by filtering for a user, then moving them to the trash will be very simple. The second reason why you create this new user, which is usually called admin SEO, depends on the fact that the majority of you will not just make the organic positioning of your site, but will take care of managing this work methodology also in WordPress for other people. A good SEO professional, when dealing with index management in a WordPress, does not import the pages with the same admin of the WordPress, but must create one specific admin called admin SEO. So to create this, it is very simple. We enter the administration dashboard of WordPress and look for the user item on the left. There you are, and click add new as I'm doing now, and simply enter the name of this new admin by attaching it to an email as I'm doing right now. And to be sure that we will give him the same privilege for administrator, click here, click administrator, and then add new user. If we now go to check with the all user here, as you can see, we find two, the owner who created the site and the SEO admin that we'll use to carry out the import. In real time, it is very simple to do. Now, let's prepare for a simple, more complex lesson that is the installation and setting of the free plugins dedicated to SEO that must be installed to better manage both the meta title and meta description fields as well as our sitemap. Thank you for your attention. See you in our next lesson. Bye.